Hello, students. As many of you probably know, April 22nd is Earth Day. And Earth Day is a special day when people come together to think about the Earth and think about ways that we can protect the Earth's environment. Now, for me, Earth Day is a little bit of good, a little bit of bad. I like Earth Day because I think it is important to try to protect the Earth. It's the only one we got. And I hate to see the Earth getting destroyed for no good reason. But on the other hand, Earth Day kind of bothers me because I don't see a lot of people actually doing anything to protect the Earth. I see people having a party and I see people talking about the Earth, but maybe not actually doing anything. So I don't know exactly how I feel about it. I like it and I don't like it. It goes both ways for me. I've got two choices for you for Earth Day this week. I've got an easy choice and then I've got a little bit harder choice. So the easy choice is first. See this worksheet? Do it. Read about Earth Day, learn something about Earth Day. There's a couple of questions to answer. You'll probably learn a little bit about the history of Earth Day, where it came from. And that's not going to take you very long. The harder choice is I'd love you to think of something that you can do to help the Earth. But now here's the challenge. I don't want it to be something you do on Earth Day and then forget about it forever. Because that's what I see a lot of. And that's one of my complaints about Earth Day is people go out and they pick up some trash and they're like, oh, I did my deal. I want you to think of something that you can do, not just on April 22nd, but forever, to help protect the Earth. And I'm going to go first. I've got one in my mind, and I'll tell you what my idea is. My thing that I would like to do is to save water when I wash the dishes. Washing the dishes is one of the jobs that I do in my family quite often, and I will be honest, I use a lot of water when I wash the dishes. I keep the sink on a lot, and there's water going down the drain pretty much the whole time I'm working. So, starting this year and hopefully forever, I am going to try to turn that water off, use much less water when I wash the dishes. See if I can use a wet cloth to wipe dishes instead of pouring water over them. And if I can do this, it'll help the Earth, but it'll also help my family, and it'll help me because I won't have to use as much water. I don't have to pay for as much water. So it's kind of like a double bonus. Now, will me using a little bit less water fix the Earth all by itself? Of course not. But is me choosing one little thing, making one small difference? Will it make a tiny difference? Yes. And if all of us make one little change, could we make a big difference? Possibly. So that's my challenge for you. Of course, you don't have to. You can do the easy way, or take the challenge and figure out what you're going to do. Maybe talk about it with your family first. I don't want you to commit to doing something that you can't do. But think about it, talk about it, and then let me know. What did you decide to do? I'll be super eager to hear what you guys have to say. And I'll see you again real soon.